Hi there, everybody. I'm Mickey Mouse, and today we're gonna be playing Animal Rivals. But there's a twist. We're gonna be only using melee only. Yep. So let's get straight into the video. All right, everybody. This is the first round. Let's go.
Oh, shut up, Mickey Mouse.
Oh, that's not very kind.
I want to talk from a Rampage Major.
He's cemetery.
Oh, cemetery. Oh no. Now there's one rule.
Match starting.
Well, there's a few rules.
Not
First,
really the best,
we can't tell them that
but I
we're
can
using
actually
and
play
second,
it.
well, we have to use melee
Round
only.
starting.
Plus, we're only gonna be playing 3 rounds. Come here, boy. Yippee!
Holy, I was so
Hot dog.
I was so close to killing him. I should have used shotgun.
Alright, that's the first one.
Okay, Mickey Mouse. You show them
Round
who's
starting.
Mickey, okay? You're the only one. You're the only Mickey.
See one.
Oh, I didn't kill him. Come on, teammate, you got this.
Oh my god.
Dang it.
Double team. Look, they double team me.
Don't worry, teammate.
But
We can still do this.
I'm gonna lock in like Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, let's
Mickey
lock in.
Mouse is the best.
Round starting.
Mickey Mouse is the best. No one
Yeah,
can change that.
I am the best. I hit one for 113.
Look behind you. Dude, come on. You can kill that.
You got him. Oh,
Headshot.
don't worry about it. We're okay. We can still win.
You're way nicer teammates than my other teammates. One kid actually
Round
literally screamed. Like screaming at us.
Back up, back up. Dude, pay attention. Yo, he should die now. I was
Yippee!
about to kill you, dude.
Hot
That's why I get for
dog.
double
We
teaming.
did it. Say it with me, teammate. Miska. Muska. Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
Alright, we can't lose now.
Round starting.
The words have been spoken.
See one, I see one. I hit him for 184.
Why is my shotgun working? My shotgun's dead,
I
man.
did
My
it.
shotgun needs to
See, I
work.
told you. We can't lose.
Oh, yeah.
One tap 'cause I hit you
See,
in the head.
I told you. When we say the magic words, we can't lose.
Miska. Say it with me, Mickey Mouse.
Round starting.
Miska. Muska. Mickey Mouse.
Mouse. Shaking now.
Surprise. Hombre. I
You're
killed one.
targeting me for sure.
You got that, teammate.
You sure?
Oh, it's okay.
Yes.
Don't worry.
One tap.
Okay. So they want to do the hard way. They actually want to do the hard way.
Round starting.
We can do the hard way. Especially with Mickey Mouse and like,
Oh, I'm getting shot at.
what's on my
Look
back?
at mouse guy. Someone started shooting at me.
Come here, boy.
Help me! Dude, help me! He's one.
Hot dog. Well, all right. We're doing it.
To turn on each other. Yo, now magic sword
Round
man
starting.
does. One beast.
I'm coming, teammate.
He's one tap. He's one tap.
Well,
Yeah.
hot dog.
What's not?
We did it. Say it with me,
Hey,
teammate.
no, you missed.
Miska. Muska, Mickey Mouse.
Oh, shut up.
Good
No,
job,
I'm
everybody.
grinding all on you.
Say it again.
Sorry, but I gotta go.
Let's rematch.
Well, this might not be very
Why
fair.
is he a chip? Wait, why is he a chip recruit? Oh my gosh, bro. No, I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Please,
Nah,
tell
bro,
me
don't
somebody.
leave.
No, it's not fair. Yeah.
Bro, he's learning, bro. He's learning, okay?
Wow, this is some harsh learning if he's learning.
Match starting.
Oh, I gotta make this quick.
Alright, guys, this is the second round.
Is that Mickey Mouse?
Yeah, Mickey Mouse.
Wait, just like him too. He's one shot, really?
Let's go.
Mickey, thanks. Wait, hold on a minute. Mickey Mouse?
Yes? What?
What? Yup. Okay, here I come.
Round starting.
Hit him 84. Oh, I died. Good job, teammate.
Come on, you got this, teammate. He's an
It's just
apex.
like
You're
you
the best race in the game. No, that's okay.
Alright,
Teammate,
wait,
that's
I
Just
gotta
like
go, guys.
Donald, we're a great team.
Mickey Mouse, you're gonna have to do this by yourself, man. I have to go, bro.
No,
You gotta work for me. You gotta work for me, man.
I can't.
Round starting.
Oh no! I think I'm caught. Alright, guys. Say it with me. Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse.
Round starting.
Alright, now I'm locked in. Oh, never mind.
Bro, this is his first time, bro. Hey, bro, teammate. Let him 1v1 you. And if I die, then you finish him off, okay?
Alright,
Round
come
starting.
on.
Shoot him. Don't shoot him.
We got
If
this.
I'm dead, then you can. It's 1v1. No, he killed me, bro. Teammate, that's all yours. I died to a Titan. He's a really good Titan.
Oh
Yes!
no!
Yo, bro.
Dude, easy.
Bro,
Okay.
You 1v1 him now.
I'm gonna say the magic words. Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse.
Round starting.
No, I
You
can't
are
lose.
1v1ing the Tim. You're 1v1ing the Tim. 1v1ing him. Wait, let me reload.
Life lesson,
You
buddy.
guys are 1v1ing.
Get him.
No, you tied?
Well, hot dog. We tied.
Good job, Titan.
Match point.
I'll start up. Match point.
Round starting.
Bro, teammate, that's all yours. Can you get him?
Oh man. GG's, guys. Will you say it with me now? Will you say it with me? Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse. Alright, good round. Alright, everybody. This is the final round. Let's give it our best.
4 big guys. They're grabbing
Grab all my guys.
Oh, my butt out like it's 4th of July.
I think I like this.
Let's get it. Yippee!
Match starting.
Wait, that's the actual game? Wait, how good is IK Tiger?
Let's go, teammate.
Alright, teammate. Let's get it, okay?
Do you have any other fan games?
Round starting.
Run. Hey, give me the sticky bomb. Run.
You have a sticky bomb. 6. Oh my god, he's a spammer.
Oh
Holy
man.
way, bro.
Stop using, cutlass. Stop using cutlass, bro.
Alright, I'm gonna say the magic words. Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse.
Round starting.
Oh shit.
Oh no.
Biggest combo I've ever seen.
Good job, teammates.
Please go towards that bomb.
Muska, Mickey Mouse.
Alright, let's say the magic words again. Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse.
No! Get it when,
Round
Alright,
starting.
we can't lose now.
Because it'll be the 2024 update where Illustrator's out.
Dad,
DMR does so much damage. Teammate, kill him, please.
let's go.
He has big sword, cutlass, and katana in the same. Oh no, bro. No way, bro.
Good job, teammate.
Let's go.
Round starting.
I just watched the cutlass, katana, and freaking big sword in the same.
Spamming, bro.
I got from behind.
Yippee! Good job.
Yep, you're getting reported. Cutlass guy.
Muska, Mickey Mouse. Now we can't lose.
Round starting.
You're mad. That's
I
his
started
dog.
losing, bro.
That's not good
I
idea
was
for
on
Dom.
this side. They all come on this side, bro. Oh my god, bro! Like, no. Got Katana's low. Katana's one tap. Katana's one tap.
Muska, well, hot dog, we did it.
Hot dog.
Good job, teammates. Let's say it one more time. Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse.
I'm about to take off my shirt so I can go ultimate on these.
I missed everything. Let's go, teammate. He's right there. He's behind you.
I can't see him.
Pussy, bro.
He's behind you. He's low.
Get your pussy ass out of here.
You're mad.
Aw,
You're
man.
mad. You're big sad.
Well, hot dog, we didn't win that one.
Hey, were you sleeping? Well, I mean,
But let's say it so we win. Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse.
If I take off after we start, oh, check me out
Hit him 84.
84.
Tell us
I thought what's the katana do?
Come here, boy.
What's that?
Dead one.
He's one.
He's low, teammate, he's low.
You they are. Twist our He's one.
Aw, man.
no. Oh no. Oh yeah.
You're not Mickey Mouse. I'm Mickey Mouse. This guy's a cheater. He's trying to be me.
Round starting.
Whoever this gun is called.
You're not Mickey Mouse. I'm Mickey Mouse.
Oh man. That's the real Mickey Mouse.
Come here, you imposter.
So low. There you go. He's dead.
Teammate, you just have to. Oh.
Got him.
Teammate, use the gun. Stop using the sword.
I got him both. Yeah, I'm locked in. God,
What'd you say?
Round
How?
starting.
What's slow?
Okay.
Dead one.
What the? Go kill yourself. Actually, bro. Honestly, kill yourself.
Well, hot dog, we
Go
won.
kill yourself.
Well, hot
Nobody
dog.
loves you. Go kill yourself.
Since this was the
Nobody loves
final round, everyone say it with me. Miska,
Titan 1v1. Titan you 1v1. Titan you 1v1. Titan
Mouse.
you 1v1. Titan you 1v1.
Alright, guys. Well, thanks for watching. And remember, say it with me. Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse. And always have a good day.